Hi everybody. Hi everybody. It's your friend Daniel Hodgins. We're back for another late night video. Yeah, we're back for another late night video. So what the hell are we doing? Well, we actually have some updates to tell you. There's something going on with a friend Peacock. Yes, Peacock has now posted $217 million in loss. Our subscribers remain unchanged at 41 milli or 41 million. Okay, so basically Peacock was one of the big streaming services back on Comcast and this idea of NBC Universal. However, the third quarter has seen a significant loss of $217 billion compared to what they normally had 1 year ago on this day, $436 billion. However, the streamer who's on the program again say the latest period included the idea that there is a new show and then there is a movie sequel that has ended again with $41 million paying subscribers, steady compared to the end of the summer, which only had 36 million subscribers a year ago. However, this company says on the board meeting on Thursday. Okay, so what's the big fucking deal? I'll tell you what the big fucking deal is. Peacock revenue dropped slightly by $1.4 billion in the third quarter, compared from the $1.5 billion in a year ago. What's the big deal? Well, that's because it's fucking Olympics. The fucking Olympics. You know, the Paris Olympics. That's stupid shit. And they lost only $101 million in that quarter. The planned idea of this transaction has spread a bunch of lies and bullshit along the networks and the conglomerations in the operation, thus Comcast money in the months, hence why that has ended last month, well, a month ago, back in September 30th. Well, it's October 30th, and for some of you, it's actually October 31st. So happy fucking Halloween. The company disclosed that again, Comcast again, and NBC Universal, Peacock, and the rest of it will, and the brands again, blah 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 blah. We don't fucking care. We don't fucking care. We don't fucking care. Comcast is now run by a chairman and a CEO, who and the president, who will in the new year elevate the role of CEO. However, the core cable system business has total domestic broadband customers and losses, and a net loss of $104,000. Total domestic wireless and net ambitions were $414,000, and total domestic video content masters again net losses of $257. Again, in content and experiences, blah 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 blah. We don't fucking care. Someone's fucking stupid dumbass epic universe. Again, we briefly burn over that, and yeah, we don't care. We don't care, because we don't care. That's all. That's all. Until next time, see you on the hut. This has been a Hutchins Up production. Please make sure you subscribe. If you want to subscribe, go subscribe. Have a nice day.